with you. Phil Oil flying the arena. Very good Sunday crowd. Just like the great crowd we had yesterday.
Oh, great opening.
Sabi. Yung sabi nga namin kahapon, yung UST, naglabas na ng lobo kagad Opening pa lang. It was a highly anticipated season, a highly anticipated match, and now the highly anticipated debut of De La Salle and the road to defend their title, and another service error for La Salle. That's at least unofficially, Mosey, at least
About
3.
Yes, 3, and that's from Galang. You know, this girl is just 16 years old.
Wow.
Very young.
Fresh talent. Tinlog, one of the veterans from the Lady Falcons. There's no defense for that, Mosey.
Right, Reyes again on the quick hit. This time, a much better one. But results the same thing, a point for off that quick hit.
Patong na patong ang kamay dun sa bola. As Kumabaw now serves 17, serving 14. Vasquez, Tagonon, easily taken by Maranyo. Back set, Tagonon again. Cross court.
Kumabaw tried to reach for that reception for that dig, pero there's too much angle on that open hit.
Ana Emilia Tagonon. Originally from the Paref Rose Hill School, Incorporated. Nice block.
The girls have been really coming from different areas of the Philippines.
Ito naman si Guevara mula sa General Pio del Pilar National High School. Ang ganda ng mga pinagkukunan.
And you really know now that these coaches really go out and really find their players.
Pineda, who played last year for Adamson for her first time. Her first year was last year na transferi mula sa Rizal Technical University,
ITU.
Napakaganda naman ng pinakita niya last year. Sabi nga natin, parang in the mold of a Tinting, yung kanyang lipad at pangangatawan. Ito na naman. Again, checked at the net. She tries again.
Oh, but this time goes long.
Napaisip na siya.
Because of the blocking of De La Salle. When you see those long outstretched arms there at the net, ganun talaga.
Score 16, Adamson.
Okay, let's listen to the leading team. 1916, Coach Ramil.
Transfer na kagad. Wala na I-transfer mo na kagad. Ba't mo ihahayaan pa si Mika doon? Pagka nag-aalangan yung nakapas ko ng good receiver, tsaka mo kunin yung gitna. Pero pag nakita mo ng open, adjust na. Mag-initiative sa blocking. Naintindihan? So ganun ang depensa natin sa pupunta. Adjust kagad yung sumilid. I-anticipate, harap. Harapan nyo yung spiker kung saan nakaharap, ha? Okay, go. Mababa dahil ng bola mo sa... Babawan mo.
This is still a very long set that we've experienced so far. First set, we had a lull earlier. Conversation.
Very long lull. I think
2-0.
Trending na ba yung lull na yan?
1-all, 2-0, 3-0, pero naging 2-0. Yeah, no.
Of this ball game.
Cruz puts it away.
This is what Chuck Cruz will give to the Lady Archers this year.
And I've said it many times in previous years. Just an all-around player for Coach Ramil.
Even became a setter
For a
Coach
while,
Ramil
correct.
For a while.
Sila nag-alternate ni Martinez, ano?
Yes. And she plays beach volleyball too.
Yes, that's right. Maranyo putting a little something extra behind that attack to give them a 21-16 advantage.
Look at this step by Esperanza to Maranyo. It was really a little bit difficult because it was close to the antenna already, or at least the outside portion. So Maranyo had to put that extra angle, extra degree.
Pineda this time going cross court. Oh, a little wide. Great idea though. Avoiding the blockers.
For La Salle.
Trying to avoid the blockers, so she went cross. The white lang ng korte. Ito na. Separation between DLSU and Adamson. 22 serving 16. open up to Pineda again. And a violation.
That's why they get violation against Lady Archer.
The new girl, Princess Amy Listana, coming in for Guevara. She will be serving. Listana from St. Agnes Academy.
Listana to serve.
And a 17-year-old player for Coach Minerva.
Underhand set. Cruz just tips it over. Soriano, we haven't heard a lot of her here in this first set. Cruz on the other side, sends it home.
Again, Cha Cruz on the open hit.
Lumipat pa ng pwesto, no?
23.
And look at the angle. The same way she used in her first point.
Now she's serving, and now she sends it long again. 2 points away, though, from pocketing the first set. 18 serving 23.
Sheila Pineda for Adamson.
It's hard to replace an Angela Binting, ano?
Oh, yes.
Or yung mga Steph Mercado. Actually, right now, I still, when you look at that mold, yung mga Steph Mercado, parang walang kapalit si Steph dito ngayon sa Lasal. Yung
Yes,
ganung
yung
laban,
ganung level
ganung,
na.
yung skill niyang ganun, or wala pa, at least.
19.
Maybe they are developing one. We will see. In the meantime, let's listen to Adamson.
Receive lang ng maganda, receive lang ng maganda. Pasok mo lang yung service mo. Ha? Ha? Okay. Kaya pa yung abutin ni Paco nyo sa 23. Ha? Paco nyo sa 23 yan. Uy, Gampong.
Pinasado kasi yung kay May sa gitna. Yung cross court, depensahan nyo na talaga.
Okay. Yung hulog ha. Kasi pagpangit yung...
Trying to stop the momentum there.
That's why she's called Mommy Dulce. Sure, she is at her best when she sa timeout. Diba? When it's really not technical.
Yes.
It's more of just motivating yung mga reality of the situation.
Galang. It's wide. They're looking for a check ball.
Oh, yeah, wanting to go for a check ball. But you know, a lot of confidence for this young rookie at 16.
Binibigyan talaga siya, no?
Starter for Coach Ramil. Ang dami pang players ni Coach Ramil. This is the older players, a bit more experience, but I guess.
Oh, that's a great serve.
Oh, yes.
Oh, great find by Maraño.
So she makes it look so easy. Just looks for the open spaces. Just enough power to send that over and get to that spot.
Serving number 1, Mika.
24-20. And Esperanza will do the honors for the defending champions. Chance for LaSalle here. Back set. And that's out. LaSalle will take the first set. Challenged by Adamson University, but dun sa dulo, medyo bumitaw itong mga defending champions natin.
But Adamson really challenged De La Salle. We thought it was going to be an easy win for the taller De La Salle squad, but of course it wasn't.
So, action here at the Philhar Flying V Arena continues. Second set when we come back on the other side.